Hey there. I'm preparing to shoot a new feature video today, and I thought I would take a moment and show you how to remove ambient sound from the background. You know, we're talking things like projector fans or HVAC fans, just ambient white noise that is often in the classrooms in which we're shooting, right? So let me show you what I mean. Right now, I don't have any serious ambient sound going on, but I'm going to turn on a fan here. You can probably hear that, right? So obviously we want to remove it. So let me go ahead and show you how to remove it. Okay, so as you see, I've brought the clip over here to Premiere Pro. And yes, in fact, there are some audio effects that we could drag over to the audio portion here, and we could reduce the background noise that way. However, I like to take the clip over to Adobe Audition. Even though it's an additional step, you'll find that Audition gives you a lot more control and many more options when it comes to improving your audio. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click the clip that I want to edit, and I'm going to select this, Edit in Adobe Audition. So we pull that up, and boom, here's the clip here in Audition. Now, this is me speaking, all these spikes that you see here, but check this out. You see this kind of purple haze? There you go. That's a little tribute for my wife. So we got this purple haze here. That is the ambient background noise. And in fact, if you see this little double line, if you listen closely to the ambient noise, you hear, this low level ringing, this buzzing sound in the background. Well, that's the buzzing sound right there. So what we want to do is we want to remove it from the entire clip. You see that little double line is even in here. See? All hiding all throughout. Even though you can't see it, it is everywhere. So we're going to remove it. How are we going to do that? Well, I'm going to select a small portion here, and I'm going to right-click it and hit Capture Noise Print right there. So what that did is it just captured that little piece of the noise, and I'm now going to tell it, you see that little piece of noise that I just captured? I want you to remove that everywhere. So to do that, I'm going to hit Control A, which selects all, right? So we select everything, come up here to Effects, and down here to, there it is, Noise Reduction Restoration. Now, here's that capture noise print that we just talked about, but now I want to do noise reduction process. So I click that, and lo and behold, it shows me what I'm going to be removing and so forth. Now, you notice here with the noise reduction, it's at 49%. I can change that. I can put it anywhere I want, or I can reduce by given decibels. Okay. Now, you don't want to just reduce everything because then it really messes with the audio. So frankly, I just like to kind of keep it where the system recommends. So it's going to take out all the stuff that was included in that noise print, and I'm going to hit Apply. Okay. Now, when we come back here, yes, there's a purple haze, but there's much less of it. And furthermore, that double line, that's more or less erased. All right, so what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and save this, and we close this window. Now, you just saw that flash. It is now updated. All right, the fact that both Adobe Premiere Pro and Audition are on the same platform, any change you make in one is a change in the other. Okay, so we're back in Premiere Pro, but there's one more step I'd like to take, and that is by adding an effect called Denoise. Now, yes, we could have just done Denoise from the beginning, but it's been my experience that if I do a combination of Audition and then the denoise effect here in Premiere Pro, I can pretty much remove all the background noise. So what I'm going to do is drag this on over to the audio clip, and then I can come here and take a look at things and I can customize it. So here we are, here's denoise, and I'm going to go to edit. Now, I don't need to denoise much at all. In fact, I normally only do about 10% here. Since Audition took out most of the noise, I just need to modify just a little bit. If you modify the denoise effect too much, your voice is going to sound like it's, inside of a mausoleum or something. It's going to sound really flat, really deep, a little echoey, things like that. So I just want to do a little bit. Okay, so with all that, let's see how this all comes together. Okay, so the fan is on, right? Yeah, you can hear that. So let's go ahead and apply the technique that I just showed you right now. The fan is still on. It's on as much as it was before, but listen, it's gone. All right, so this is with the noise reduction on, and bam, this is with the noise reduction off. You see the difference? So not too shabby. So there's a technique that you can use. All right, hope this was helpful. Have a fantastic day.